Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today we are having a nice pump in the markets, a weekend pump. We'll see if we can hold it. We held it last weekend. I usually say that when we pump on the weekends, usually weekend activity is pretty lame. It's pretty to the side, or it gets erased come the next weekly candle open. But we held it from the previous weekend, so maybe this weekend we can do the same. But guys, today I want to talk about cryptocom, the pump going on in the markets, where we're headed, and guys, we are almost at 7,000 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded line NFT. And each month you are a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries. Super excited to be giving this away. Let's hop into this video, guys. So let's look over at the crypto markets right now. Guys, Bitcoin has been tearing. We're at 23,200 right now. I thought we were going to have a little bit of a pullback, but we are trading to the side right now. Yesterday we were trading to the side. Now it's bullish continuation. We'd love to see it. I mean, look at Solana just going crazy. We've got dogecoin pumping. The entire market's pumping, guys. And, if we trade sideways in this $23,000 to $25,000 range, you're going to see cryptocom and everything else pump with it. So keep that in mind. I've been preaching, guys, above the $19,500 mark on Bitcoin. If we get a weekly candle close above that, I see bullish continuation happening, and it's looking pretty optimistic right now that we're going to get that 23,200. It's well above the $19,500 price target. So look over at CRO. We didn't come down and test this support at 0.0684 cents, which is great, but I was a little bit saying that, if we come down there, that's okay. I would like to see us retest and resume and turn this resistance into support, but we didn't even make it down there. We're pumping, guys. We're pumping. It's great. It's great. There's definitely talk of a potential bull trap, but I will say that when everyone is in disbelief of a rally, when people are trying to say, "Oh, like this rally's bad," this is going to be a painful rally. Usually it's going to keep rallying. That's usually how it goes. The max pain, guys, max pain. And there's about $5 billion worth in shorts right now that need to be liquidated, and that is in the $25,000 price range of Bitcoin. I think that is a very high likelihood that we reach that point. But, yeah, guys, I mean, look at this pump. We've just been pumping and pumping. The bottom of about 5.5 cents. We are up to right now about almost 8 cents. You'd love to see it. We're definitely going to retest this local top here at about 8, almost 9 cents. I think this was basically a liquidity spike when there wasn't a lot of liquidity, so we just got wicked up to about 9 cents on CRO for Coinbase's chart. But I think we're going to be starting to head our way up here to the 10 cents range, which is going to be huge, guys. I'm really, really excited for us to get to that point. So I will say, let's keep a close eye on that. It is the weekend price action, so a little bit of strange things can happen on the weekend, so don't be surprised if we come up, come down, come back up, come Monday. Don't be surprised. There might be some scam wick action. Don't get shaken out. I still think this is a great accumulation zone. I do think that we are still in a bear market, but I do think that the bottom is in. And do I think that we could get close to the bottom again before next bull market all-time high? Yes, I do. I think that we could come down to the 5.5, 6 cents range again. I think that's very possible. But I do also think that the bottom's in, guys. I think that the bottom is in on Bitcoin, and if the bottom's in on Bitcoin, that usually means that the bottom is in on CRO as of right now. I think that we're going to have a lot more upside in Bitcoin because, guys, we are 365 days leading into the Bitcoin halving. It's I've been calling for a long time. That's when the hype starts. And guys, I mean, let's look over at Bitcoin for a second because, people are saying, we're still in a bear market. We need more downside. Guys, we traded to the downside for over a year and almost a year and a half. Like, how much more downside do these people want to see? Because this is accurate to the previous cycles. And, I will say, Every time there's the beginning of the new 4-year cycle on crypto, people want to call and say it's going to be different. They want to say it's going to be different, and it is always a little bit different. But people want to say, oh, it's going to be way different this time. It's going to be way different this time. And if you zoom out on this chart for the 4-year cycles with the Bitcoin halvings represented by the blue lines and the downtrend from the cycle peak to the bottom in the bull market to the bear market in 2017 to 2018, guys, it's very similar. The 4-year cycles are very similar. Sure, there are different turns and different zips and zags the market will take, but overall, when you zoom out, the 4-year cycle is very, very consistent, which is quite alarming if you really pay attention to it. And so when you start seeing people say, "Oh, this time's different, this time's different," they are right to a certain degree, but really zoom out. I'd ask you to really zoom out and look at some of these charts and think about, well, how different? How different are we talking here? How different are we talking here on the weekly, on the monthly chart? Will the formation truly be broken? Will we break to the downside will we erase multiple cycles? That's something you got to really ask yourself. Or will we double or triple the percentage gain this time, even though there should be diminishing returns? Those are things that you should be asking to really, now that would be a different this time scenario. But let's look over at Solana just because you guys know I love talking about Solana. And yeah, guys, we're ripping and roaring on here too. $25. People were talking how it was going to zero at $8. Who knows? Maybe this is starting to rip and roar even more because there are these terrible, terrible rumors about FTX coming back. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. Crypto Kip is going to come out with a video on that today. I think it's terrible, but I mean, we'll see what it does. We'll see how maybe it's just a rumor, but we'll see what happens, guys. All right, so let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit more because at the end of the day, guys, if we get this weekly candle close above 19,500, I really think that the next stop is about the $25,000 mark. And if we get a weekly candle close above the $25,000 mark, we're gonna have a bullish continuation, and I'm gonna be Blacksea is gonna flip awfully bullish, maybe even moon boy bullish. So keep that in mind. We're looking really good right now. But you can have bear market rallies. I mean, look at this rally back in January 2019, January 21st. Guys, this rally ripped faces off. It's crazy. We're talking 175 days up 285%. That's a half a year of just rallying super hard straight off the bottom. But, that was a bear market rally because we came over here, and wham, came right down. Pandemic dump. Now, I will say that was a black swan event. That was definitely a black swan event when we had that huge capitulation down. And how far did we come down from that? Top to bottom, about 64%. That's not ridiculous for Bitcoin, but that's a bear market rally right there. Bear market rally. We came up from the bottom and wham, came down. But the bottom was already in. I think that could happen again. We could get a big rally to the upside and come back down. I don't think we'll find a new bottom, but I think that's possible leading to the Bitcoin halving. But I'm bullish, guys. I'm definitely keeping a close eye on this. I'm gonna maybe open up some longs if we come down a little bit. And if you'd like to do that, feel free to go in the description box below. We have a lot of free money to be given away for these leverage trading platforms on BitGet and Femex, up to $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet and $4,500 sign-up bonus with Femex. All you got to do is open up, create an account, deposit, and do a couple trades, and you get a bunch of free money. So if you want to do that, please leverage trade at your own risk, but there's lots of opportunities there. So let's look over the S&P 500 because, I've been looking at the weekly of it, but today I was looking more at the daily, a little bit closer of a look. We are coming down here, but at the same time here, I would not be surprised if come Monday we don't even come down anymore and we just come back up. That's what it's kind of looking like. Without drawing the lines, I see a formation forming here, and I think that the break to the upside out of this channel is very important. I think it's very important. We need to be looking at the S&P 500, the traditional markets, the macroeconomics of the world to really be seeing where we're going to be headed here for Crow coin and Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. And guys, this resistance level here on the S&P 500 needs to be broken. And when we do break it, it's going to create a massive rally on risk on assets. And it's going to happen. It's going to happen. We've been trading to the side, or excuse me, down to the side on the S&P 500 since, man, probably since about, I would say, the top was January 4th, 2022. And we've been trading down for over a year, literally over a year right now in the S&P 500. I think we are about ready for a reversal. We should definitely be seeing a break to the upside. Maybe not a reversal, maybe not new all-time highs, but some positive price action. I think some higher lows would be something nice to see on the S&P 500. If we do see that, the risk on asset markets are going to be very, very favorable. So keep your eyes on that. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe, and please consider becoming a member on the channel. It helps us out a lot. And we have really cool loyalty badges and emojis you get. And every Tuesday and Thursday, Crypto Kip and I do a live stream at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We've got different tiers. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, NFT Whitelist giveaways, as well as trading signals. And we have a little bit more one-on-one interaction with you, and we really like doing that. There's different tiers. You get these emojis and these loyalty badges. But yeah, guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.